Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -0.44% compared to yesterday's value of 29,232.94. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -0.47% compared to yesterday's value of 1838.45. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.04% compared to yesterday's value of 241.7.
Latest news.
Curve Finance exploiter returns stolen crypto to Alchemix. Alchemix Finance has announced that the individual behind the Curve Finance exploit has returned a total of 4,819 LETH and 2,259 ETH to the project. This is a remarkable development in the cryptocurrency space, as it is not common for exploiters to return stolen funds. The incident highlights the importance of robust security measures and ongoing monitoring for potential vulnerabilities within blockchain projects. Canadians acquire crypto predominantly through mobile and web apps. Mining remains popular. Cointelegraph reports that the majority of Canadian cryptocurrency holders have acquired their digital assets through mobile and web applications. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining remain popular methods for accumulating tokens for the second consecutive year. This highlights the increasing mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies in Canada and the growing interest in alternative methods for acquiring digital assets. The popularity of mining underscores the sustained interest in the growing digital economy. U.S. senators urge action against North Korea's cryptocurrency funding of nuclear program. U.S. Senators Elizabeth Warren, Tim Kaine, and Chris Van Hollen have sent a letter to the White House and Treasury Department requesting a crackdown on North Korea's use of cryptocurrency to fund its nuclear program and bypass sanctions. The report states that North Korean hackers have stolen over 7 billion worth of cryptocurrencies since 2000 to support their missile program. The Treasury Department has added TornadoCash to its list of sanctioned entities due to potential links with funding North Korea's nuclear activities. Senator Warren has been an outspoken advocate for addressing the illicit uses of cryptocurrencies and is pushing for enhanced measures to regulate the industry. Avalaunch app's Twitter account reportedly compromised. Avalaunch app Twitter account compromised. Advise users not to click links. Stay vigilant. CertiK Skynet Avalaunch app update. Users advised not to click links. Follow official sources for updates. Crypto asset investment in Latvia drops by 50% over the past year. Latvia has seen a significant decline in crypto asset investments, with the number falling by 50% over the past year, according to Latvia's Banka S. Financial Stability report. The central bank cited factors such as fraud, insolvency among major market participants, unwise investments, and links to money laundering as reasons for the decrease in interest. According to payment card usage, only 4% of the Latvian population bought crypto assets in February 2023, compared to 8% during 2022. Latvians transferred 51.8 million, 57 million to crypto wallets in 2022, with this figure slowing down to 2.7 million, 11.8 million in Q1 2023. The non-bank financial sector in Latvia remains less important than those in other European countries, partly due to the low level of long-term savings among the population. Retail crypto payments still dominate over crypto asset investments in the nation, with most transactions being relatively small. Global X Refiles spot Bitcoin ETF application, joining 8 others at the SEC. Global X has refiled its Bitcoin ETF application, bringing the total number of active applications at the SEC to 9. The SEC is carefully evaluating each submission. The application aims to provide investors with exposure to Bitcoin without requiring direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. The fate of these applications remains to be seen. MIT Digital Currency Initiative launches experimental CBDC platform, PArSEC. MIT's DCI has launched the PArSEC platform, an open-source platform designed for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The platform is said to have achieved 118,000 ERC-20 transactions per second on 128 hosts, outperforming public permissionless blockchains. PArSEC also supports ERC-20 tokens, allowing an automated market maker to trade bonds, tokenized securities, and buyback agreements. However, the platform's programmability feature has faced criticism, as it may lead to state overreach in CBDCs by prohibiting specific purchases or imposing restrictions. PArSEC is part of Project Hamilton, a collaboration between MIT's DCI and the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston. Ripple Labs joins International Swaps and Derivatives Association. Ripple Labs, the company behind the XRP cryptocurrency, has joined the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, ISDA, as a member. This trade organization represents over-the-counter derivatives market participants and has over 1,000 member institutions from 79 countries. Ripple Labs now joins major financial institutions like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and the London Stock Exchange in the digital assets category. The potential impact of this new membership on future collaborations remains to be seen. Bitcoin drops 1% to $29,000 as July job gains fall short of forecast. Bitcoin, BTC, experienced a 1% decline on Friday afternoon, returning to the 10,000 mark. The downturn in U.S. stocks resulted in a 1% decrease in the value of Bitcoin. The government reported 187,000 jobs were added in July, falling short of the 200,000 forecast, while the unemployment rate dropped to 3.5%, surpassing the projected 3.6%, and average hourly earnings increased by 4.4%, exceeding the 4.2% expectation. The odds of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates again in mid-September decreased from 2% to 4%. Altcoins such as ADA, SOL, and Matic saw decreases of over 2.5%. Experts predict a sideways trend in the cryptocurrency market, with a significant rally unlikely due to lack of fresh capital inflows. However, as Ethereum's foundation stabilizes and its applications improve, an inflow of users and new capital is expected. FCC introduces new regulations to address SIM swap fraud. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has proposed new regulations to combat SIM swap and port-out scams that exploit mobile communication systems to gain unauthorized access to personal and financial information. The proposed rules will require stricter verification processes for SIM swaps and port-outs, including compulsory multi-factor authentication, improved communication between mobile carriers and customers, and increased oversight by regulatory bodies and industry stakeholders. Consumer protection advocates have expressed support for the proposed rules, but collaboration between regulatory bodies and industry stakeholders will be essential to ensure their effectiveness in combating SIM swap fraud. CertiK Skynet alert: movement of funds to TornadoCash from EOA0xB for EOA. Blockchain security firm CertiK has issued an alert on Twitter regarding a movement of funds to TornadoCash from address EOA0xB for EOA. Approximately $13,000 has been deposited into TornadoCash, a privacy-preserving decentralized exchange. The funds in question are believed to have originated from a platform for deploying and managing smart contracts, the Retrade deployer. Further monitoring is needed to understand the impact or significance of this event within the blockchain ecosystem. Tether becomes 11th largest Bitcoin holder, prompting questions about market impact and risk. Stablecoin issuer Tether has become the world's 11th largest holder of Bitcoin, with an address speculated to belong to the company holding approximately 55,022 Bitcoins, worth around $1.6 billion. Tether has not officially revealed its Bitcoin addresses, but the holding value corresponds to the total Bitcoin referenced in Tether's second quarter reserves report. Tether has faced criticism for not publishing proper audits of their reserves, with Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao describing the situation as a black box. As Tether's influence in the market grows, so does the curiosity surrounding its holdings and potential impact on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. E-commerce stores on WordPress now enabled to accept crypto payments via Binance Pay WooCommerce plugin. Binance Pay WooCommerce plugin is now available for e-commerce stores on WordPress, allowing vendors to accept cryptocurrency payments. This integration offers a seamless shopping experience and caters to a growing market of crypto-savvy shoppers.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.